Welcome to the RC workshop. So today I just kind of wanted to go over one of my controllers, and that's in this bag here. This is the Radiolink RC8X. One of the things that kind of frustrated me about it was the carrying case. I have a Fly Sky, and that came with the case, which is kind of cool. But with this one, because of the case that it comes with a little box, and being able to carry the attachments for the FPV sometimes is not the easiest way to mount the thing on it. The camera, not the camera mount, but the phone mount and antenna onto the controller, because once you do that, then you can't get it back into the case. So this is one of the solutions that I was able to come up with. I don't know if you have any solutions. If you do, please share and let me know what you have come up with. But I haven't seen anything like this on YouTube or online or anywhere else, so I figured I would share, and hopefully this will help somebody. So this is what I got going on. So if you ordered your Radiolink RC8X, it came in a case like this, and when you open it up, you get this little box. And inside the box, for me, I got a little wheel control and a couple of other accessories. But this box, trying to get anything in this to fit in that spot and be useful, didn't work for me. So this is what I did. Get rid of the box, and I used 2 of these containers and my camera mount. So I'll show you basically what I was able to do to get everything in here and make it useful when I wanted to use the FPV. So take these out. I also have a couple things in the case here. Now, because the size of my hands, I didn't need the extension on the thumb grip, so that's how that is, like that. Move this out of the way. And what I was able to come up with was inside these 2 cases. So in this first case, pop that open. What I did was I used I think it was a 30 millimeter screw there, so that allows me to actually mount this attachment. And I can run this. These are for servo stands. And I use the servo stand going through all the way on one end, and then I can use this on the other end. Oop, in there. And tighten that up. So getting a little grip on that. Now I can actually mount my phone on there the way I want, and this plugs in without having to stretch the cord. Oop. There we go. Tilt that a little bit. Plenty of slack on the cable there. My phone can mount, and now I have full utilization of that. The reason why I have 2 boxes, and this one fits in here, is because on the second box I have a few different vehicles, so this just allows me to carry my camera, and then I can mount it on whether it be my drift chassis, either this one, my Reeve D, or either one of my crawlers. So that's what I've been able to come up with. If you have a solution that allows you to carry everything inside of your Radiolink RC8X carrying case for your FPV and additional accessories, let me know. I'd love to see what you got. Thanks.